This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do an old Southern or Louisiana favorite. We're going to do creamy Cajun pasta with some andouille and some shrimp, or scrimps as they say. And I want to give a big shout out to Miss Virginia Cook, who won the Still Made USA Griddle contest that I have for my 5,000 subscriber content. Thanks to all of my subscribers for subscribing, sharing videos, doing all that. So Virginia, I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And hey, let's get started with some creamy Cajun pasta. Supporting cast is as followed. A lot of ingredients, but don't be intimidated by that. So I got some andouille sausage that I've cut up in probably about 1/4 inch pieces, and I got a pound of shrimp, and that's a pound of andouille as well. I got a pound of shrimp. This is more onion than what I'm gonna need, but this is just some yellow onion that I got chopped up. I got some green onion, excuse me. I got some green onion there, and then back here I have a red bell pepper cut up, diced up I should say, and then I got that was a yellow, and then I got a red one. Sorry about that. So those are my vegetables that are going into the dish. Well, I'm going to use also a can of diced tomatoes as well. So the spices that I'm going to be using, of course, I'm going to be using my black pepper, my pink Himalayan sea salt. This is important. You can use any kind of Cajun or Cajun seasoning. I prefer to use the Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Then I got some crushed red pepper flakes, some leaf oregano, a tad bit of brown sugar. I'll speak on that a little bit later. Some chicken broth, about a cup of heavy cream. Got some Parmesan cheese here. And of course I can't leave home without my garlic. And then I'm using fettuccine noodles. Now you can use any kind of noodles you wish. I chose the fettuccine today. But that's really the supporting cast, guys. So let's get started piecing this together. First thing I'm going to do, start with my vegetables in this larger skillet. I'm going to put in some onions there. I'm going to put in my red bell peppers. And I'm going to put in my yellow bell peppers. And we're just going to saute these down in a little bit of olive oil and make sure they get nice and tender. And then I got another skillet over here that I'm going to start my andouille sausage in. Right there. And 2 pans. So we're just going to brown these off. And I got to get my pasta on here as well. And I'm going to hold off on my shrimp because my shrimp is partially cooked. So I'm going to hold off on that for the last minute. Just needs to roll around into some seasoning for a little bit. Let me get started on my pasta, but I got my vegetables on and I got my andouille sausage. Look at that andouille sausage cooking up nicely, browning up on both sides. So I'm going to leave it in for another couple minutes and I'm going to take it out of the pan. The vegetables are cooking down nicely. So I'm going to season these up a little bit here. Put in a little pink Himalayan sea salt. Excuse my arm, I'm sorry about that, guys. Some fresh cracked black pepper. And let me check my pasta while I'm here. I don't want to overcook it because it's going to go into and cook a little bit more with the rest of the dish. I'm going to leave it down for about another 2 minutes or so. And we're going to put in a little bit of leaf oregano into the vegetables. I'm going to take off my andouille here in just a second. Take off this pasta because I don't want it to overcook. So the vegetables are cooking down nicely. I'm going to put a nice healthy spoonful our tablespoonful of minced garlic in here. Now the reason why I put the garlic in after started cooking things down, because I don't want to burn the garlic. Garlic burns much quicker than anything else. So we got that in there. I'm going to add my can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Now after I added these tomatoes, we're definitely going to let this cook, but I'm going to add a few other spices, or a few other things here. I'm going to add my brown sugar, just a tad. It's not to make it sweet. It's just about a teaspoon. It just balances the flavor out. Not to make it sweet. Stir that up in there just a little bit. We're definitely going to let this cook to get that canned tomato taste out of the tomatoes. Alright, so we're going to add the shrimp here to the skillet. My pounded shrimp. Spread these out. We're going to season them up a little bit. A little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, not a lot, because that Cajun seasoning's got salt in it, so you want to ease up on that. Some fresh cracked black pepper. And here we come in with our Cajun seasoning. Alright, let's move over to the vegetables. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken broth to it. This is about a cup of chicken broth. And I'm going to add my heavy cream to it. It's about a cup of heavy cream. We're going to stir this up in here nice. Ah, yeah, there we go. Now I'm going to season this up a little bit with the Cajun seasoning. A little bit more of the oregano. And I'm going to bring my red pepper flakes here, just for a little bit more heat. This shouldn't be that hot. There we go. So we're going to stir that up. We're going to reduce this down a little bit to bring it to a simmer. I'm going to go ahead, add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Mix that up in there real good. Continue cooking that just a little bit. And I'm going to add some of my fresh scallions to it. As I always do, I do encourage you guys to taste your food. So I'm going to taste a little bit of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So at this point, real simple, I'm just going to add my pasta to the mix. We're going to stir that around in here. And we're going to add my andouille sausage to the mix. And my scrimps. Ah, this is going to be good, I guarantee. Alright, we're going to mix this up in here just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat down on that, let it simmer. And I'm gonna plate it up for you here in just a few minutes. Creamy Cajun pasta with some andouille and some scrimps as they say. Hey guys, I'm just gonna wait for the bite. I don't have too much more to say. Creamy Cajun pasta with andouille and shrimp. It looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. Alright, let me get a little bit of everything. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Do me a favor. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Share the video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.